Away from the bustling urban activity of Metro Manila, Mount Makiling quietly towers over the southern Tagalog region, the epitome of calm and majesty. This very same serenity will serve as your welcome as you arrive in the first medical tourism economic zone in the Philippines, the St. Francis Cabrini Medical Center. In 1998, St. Cabrini Medical Center opened its doors to meet the healthcare needs of its surrounding communities. It was initially conceived to service the healthcare needs of the employees of its affiliate company, Yazaki Torres Manufacturing Incorporated. However, the pace of development in the southern Tagalog region created the need for an advanced medical facility. After more than a decade of service, St. Cabrini is proud to be the preferred provider of hundreds of thousands of patients who come to the hospital for their medical services requirements. The base has also expanded to include patients of various nationalities who prefer the more laid-back, restful suburban atmosphere of the hospital to the hustle and bustle of the city. To cater to its growing clientele, the hospital undertook a major expansion program to beef up its capacity and capabilities.
We have high hopes that our new endeavor will create a meaningful synergy, one that will lead down to the improvement of the health of the Filipinos and position us as a serious player in the international healthcare market.
President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo inaugurated this recently completed expanded facility of St. Cabrini Medical Center, featuring a new hospital wing which more than doubled its bed capacity and a dedicated wing for the first major cancer institute in southern Tagalog. The major strength of St. Cabrini Medical Center is its willingness and capability to deliver an exceptional patient experience. From the smiles that greet the patients and visitors as they enter the hospital, the entire staff is dedicated to making these visits as pleasant as possible.
Our mission is to provide a patient-centered environment that enables the healing of the mind, body, and spirit through high-quality medical care, appropriate use and ethical use of technology, and a service culture that is enriched with learning, teaching, and research. Our key direction is to provide a healing environment, lead with innovation, and serve with compassion.
It is common for the medical team and the support services group to get together and discuss the best treatment options for each and every patient, recognizing that each patient's condition is unique. The medical expertise provided comes from a team of physicians, many of whom have trained alongside other medical experts in the US, Japan, Singapore, Hong Kong, and in Europe. Beyond the impeccable credentials and the skill to heal, the doctors and staff of St. Cabrini passionately care for their patients.
We consider them with utmost professionalism, with compassion, and with utmost safety.
We comfort them and assist them with love, lots of patience, and serve them as if they were our own family.
The many services of the hospital and its thrust to periodically invest in state-of-the-art technology to provide only the best possible health services to the patients are best exemplified by its modern cancer institute. Here, the first and only image-guided radiation therapy in the Philippines is being used to treat or palliate even the most advanced stages of cancer.
IGRT is actually used for treating some very unique tumors. Generally, we treat tumors that are in motion. That's the advantage of the image guidance, because these tumors actually move during the breathing cycle, for example, of a patient. So the type of tumor where we normally use IGRT would be for lung, for liver, for prostate, and then for head and neck cancers, specifically the nasopharyngeal type of cancers.
Through the accuracy of the IGRT technology, the dose of radiation to the tumor of the patient can be increased without compromising the healthy tissues of the body. The end results are less side effects and better outcomes for the patients. The St. Cabrini Cancer Institute is the first to combine conventional and complementary medicine in a safer and doctor-guided environment. The cancer management team believes that patients should explore all means to alleviate pain and recover from illness.
In complementary medicine, we actually wanted to give patients options. We wanted a little bit of the East and Western medicine. Eastern medicine has been there for 2,000-3,000 years. That's why we chose to also include it in our menu, so to speak, of treatments that we can give patients.
The hospital believes that a healing environment can instill serenity in the patient's minds and hearts. Healing gardens, waterfalls, aquariums, and verdant foliage, all these make the pain become more bearable. Serving with compassion, leading with innovation, delivering cost-effective medical expertise, enabling breakthrough technologies for learning, teaching, and research. These are the values which embody the essence of the St. Cabrini Medical Center. In continuing quest for excellence in healthcare, in the service of the global community.